เฉลิมพงษ์
Can I hear you?
I want to buy telephone good brand
I think you should go to buy Samsung Galaxy S4 in Big C on มิตรภาพ Road.
I want to eat noodle
Evan, I can really hear you.
I want to buy jean good brand
I think you should go to buy Levi Jeans in the mall on มิตรภาพ Road.
thank you
Good morning จิตรกร
can I help you
I want to buy motorcycle.
I think you should go to buy Honda Wave in Honda เกิดไกล on ช้างเผือก Road
I want to eat pizza.
I don't know what to advise am absent
I want to buy tablet good brand.
I think you should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 in the mall on มิตรภาพ Road
Thank you.
thank you goodbye